Welcome to day 2 of the San Diego Yacht Club and Acapulco Yacht Club Challenge. The weather's broken, the hurricane is past. Looks like we're in for a normal day of Acapulco sailing. We have our random leg race today, and good luck to the best yacht club.
Okay, hello, I'm Ricky Brockman from the Mexican crew at the Concordia 47. Right here we have the two boats tied next to each other. Yesterday we had a win-win for both, so we're tied now, and we hope the Mexican team wins. And good luck for both boats.
Thank you, Ricky. Motoring out, there's San Diego Yacht Club on Rajatu. The French kiss San Diego. Adios. Sunday warm-up, Bandito, Pete Hine, Flojito y Quintessence. We got French kiss over here. Amanja coming up the bay, and we're on Aragua. Day 2. Acapulco-San Diego Yacht Club Challenge.
So we start even without the pole, no? Okay.
I think we start with the pole.
No, with the pole.
Before the start, no warning yet. Here we are. We got 2 minutes. We're still early coming back. They're too low. Don't do that. That's way too low. That's what close action here. Yacht Club Challenge. Good racing here. There's the Rajatu hitting the wind right in front of Aragua. They're slipping. Here goes our puff. Julio, high side. Yeah. That boat accelerates. Woo. Here we are. Let the main out. Let everything out. Yep. Big puff, guys. Nice. As they say, this is the whole enchilada right here. Going around the big ship. 1, 2, 3, 4 boats. Yeah, we're gonna be out of here first, guys. Go to the corner.
Look at the mark.
Yeah, I know, but that you have to get around this no wind. I know. You want to turn left. Start turning left. Yep. Come on, Eric. Start pulling. Go right around it, Ricardo. Go pull, Eric. Pull, Eric. Pull, Eric. Pull, Eric. Pull, Eric. That's fine. That's fine. You can't. Yeah, I can't come down. Ease, Eric. What do you guys want to do? Yeah, you don't come down on him. Everyone high side. Everyone high side. Nice exchange. Rajatu stayed low.
bien, todo.
Good
very
race,
good.
everyone.
Very good, muy bien.